Hello, everyone. Great to have you here. I'm here in Pangyo, Gyeonggi-do, visiting GLASSTINT Premium Master Pangyo. It's been a while since I've visited one of our Premium Master shops. This is a true GLASSTINT specialty shop that shows our brand identity. Today, we'll take a look inside and see what goes on here, how they welcome customers, and what their everyday work is really like. That's what we're going to explore today. We'll also talk about window tinting, and we'll even work on an installation together. I hope you enjoy the video. Let's head inside. Located in Pangyo, Gyeonggi-do, this is GLASSTINT Premium Master. Pangyo, let's sit down and talk with the team. We kept this really relaxed, so you don't need to be nervous. To give everyone a quick introduction, at GLASSTINT, proper installation starts with 6 months of training, then another 6 months of hands-on apprenticeship. Kwon Minjae was the last shop owner I personally trained and supported through education and setup. Technical director Ma Jungwoo worked with us for almost 3 years before joining the Pangyo team. I'm Kwon Minjae, and I run GLASSTINT Bundang-Pangyo. I also run a blog and create content under the influencer name Chichipoka. I think my biggest strength is probably that I'm still young. I'm Ma Jungwoo, the technical director at GLASSTINT Bundang-Pangyo. I also run a blog and create content under the name Ma Jungwoo. Well, everyone, that was a pretty awkward profile introduction. How long has the Bundang-Pangyo shop been open? By calendar years, it's been a little over 3 years now. Time really does fly. Running a shop is not as easy as people might think. When I first came to see you, I was just a customer. But now that I'm the one doing the installations and getting paid for that work, I've realized every customer has a different standard for satisfaction, and we have to deliver the service and every detail needed to meet those expectations. That's one of the hardest parts. Satisfying every single customer is never easy. That's right. Everyone has a different standard for satisfaction, so that part can be frustrating, and it is definitely difficult. A Premium Master is an official GLASSTINT exclusive shop with high-level skill and a customer-friendly space. That means each customer's personal satisfaction matters a lot, and meeting those expectations one by one is not easy. It's very challenging. Who was the most difficult customer you've ever worked with? They might even be watching this video. But one customer I remember most clearly had already been to about 3 different tint shops. Before finally coming to our shop, we spent the entire day working only on that car, and I remember truly satisfying that customer. Every car has different glass and shape, and since we hand-cut everything one by one, there are even cut lines you don't really see. So satisfaction with those cut lines can be different for every customer. For me, since I focus more on installation than customer consultation, the hardest moments are when I run into a really difficult vehicle. Right, the rear glass on a Porsche Targa is definitely tough. It was difficult, but it helped me grow. I improved technically, so it became a satisfying memory. When a difficult installation comes in, sometimes you can't finish it in one shot, because it's just that hard. Your head checks out, and you just want to go home. When things get tough, How do you get through it?
왔을 때 해결하는 방법이 있나?
For me personally, when I need to relieve stress, I close up the shop, turn the music up loud, spend some time alone, clear my head, and that's how I usually reset. I used to enjoy drinking,
술도 좋아하는 편이었고
but I got married early, and I have a child now.
지금 있다 보니까
So when I get home, I ask my wife for permission. Instead of just working out like before, now I go to the gym for boxing and jiu-jitsu.
하면서 좀 제 나름대로 스트레스를 풀고
That's how I relieve stress in my own way. I've always loved working out.
있거나 운동을 좋아하고 그런 거. 네.
What are your hopes while running this tint shop?
바람이 있는지 각자 이야기를 좀 해줬으면 좋겠어.
Without getting too greedy, I hope the people who need me continue to come back consistently, and I can keep satisfying them. I also hope to remain a good memory for those customers. That's a small wish of mine. And if I'm being honest about a bigger goal, I'm aiming for 150 million won in monthly sales.
와, 이러고 있다.
저도 이제
For me, my hope is that our shop does well first, because then my salary can go up, and I can earn more incentives too. But since our shop really focuses on quality,
샵이다 보니까 그만큼만
we want to take only as many cars as we can handle while still protecting that quality.
이제 저희가 그렇게 차를
As our skills keep growing, we'll be able to take on more cars
그만큼 더 받을 수 있는 대수도 늘어나고
and hopefully reach the sales goal our owner just mentioned.
것처럼 그 매출만큼 이뤄냈으면 좋겠고 그 매출
And once we reach that level, I hope my own results are recognized too.
있었으면 좋겠습니다.
I hope everyone in Korea knows Pangyo as the place for premium, truly precise installation.
정말 정교한 시공. 이 시공만
But great installation alone isn't enough. After service, response, and shop experience matter too.
있잖아. 그래서
So I hope you keep providing that level of service for a long time, without cutting corners.
일단 마음이 들어. 그리고 오늘은
Today, I'm going to work on an installation with these two great guys. It's been a while since I've done an installation myself, but honestly, there's nothing left for me to teach them. We'll work together and bring back old memories.
즐겁게 즐거운 마음으로 시공하는 시간을 가져보도록 하지. 네. 그래. 한번 가자.
CEO Choi Yoonseok X Pangyo Branch Collaboration Installation. Did you enjoy watching? Today, we visited GLASSTINT Premium Master Bundang-Pangyo, had a conversation with the team, and showed you our collaboration installation. If you enjoyed the video, please hit like and subscribe.
구독 한번 눌러주시고요.
We'll be back next time with another fun and meaningful episode. Please continue to support GLASSTINT Bundang-Pangyo, and we truly appreciate your interest. Thank you. Now, let's take a look at the finished installation.
한번 보시죠.
Today, after almost 3 years, I got to work with CEO Choi again. As always, he worked with incredible passion, and I'm truly thankful for that. For something special, or an installation that stands apart, please visit GLASSTINT Bundang-Pangyo. It was meaningful to work with our CEO and shop owner again after almost 3 years. Please continue to support GLASSTINT Bundang-Pangyo.
판교점 많이 응원해주세요. 감사합니다.
Minjae, Jungwoo, great work today.
오늘 고생 많았어. 너희들의 무기는
I told you before that your greatest weapon is your age. I believe you'll become major figures in Korea. Don't worry too much. Keep working with a relaxed, happy mindset, and good days will come.
오늘 고생 많았다.
And for anyone watching this video,
보시는 분들 중에서
if you would like to film an installation with CEO Choi Yoonseok, leave a comment.
하고 싶은 분들은 연락을 주시기
We will select someone and visit in person for a collaboration installation and interview.
다음에 또
We'll see you again with another fun episode.